How to connect to Google Sheets data using Designer. First, drag the Google Sheets query component onto the canvas of an orchestration pipeline. Then navigate to the Components Properties tab. Basic and Advanced mode gives you the option to construct your query in two different ways. Advanced mode requires you to write SQL to query your Google Sheets data. In Basic mode, you can construct a query using the data source, data selection, and data source filter properties. Then choose an OAuth for authentication. In this example, we'll be using an existing Google OAuth. You can click Manage to review OAuth connections and add new ones. Then enter the name of the spreadsheet you want to access. Now we need to enter the Google Sheets data source. This can be found under the data source property. The format of the data source is spreadsheet name _ sheet name. After the source sheet has been selected, the data selection property allows you to select specific columns from the data source. You can use the data source filter property to filter the data if required. Then, under the target table property, choose the table name you want to load your Google Sheets data to. Then select where your data is to be staged. In this example, we'll use a Snowflake managed staging area. An Amazon S3 location can be used if preferred. Now you can configure any additional properties if required, then check that the orchestration pipeline has validated successfully, and click the Run button to run the pipeline. Your Google Sheets data will now be available in the target table defined earlier, ready for further transformations. For full information on the Google Sheets query component and the Data Productivity Cloud, please visit the Matillion documentation site.